I heard from your mother that you know the sound of each letter by itself, but sometimes two letters stick together and make one new sound. We call that a digraph. Do you know any digraphs?
I sure do. My teacher taught us about those. When S and H are together, they don't say S and H. They say sh, like in ship.
Great. I have the digraphs written on each of these pieces of paper. I am going to show you some pictures and you decide which digraph is in the word. Are you ready?
That is a shirt, and the digraph is sh, so it has the SH digraph.
Super duper. How about this one?
Hey, those words rhyme. Super and duper. That is a chair, and that starts with ch, a CH digraph.
Here's another picture and the digraph sound comes at the end of the word.
That is a sock. The digraph is at the end. It is CK.
What is this?
That is a whistle, and it starts with wh. The digraph is WH.
Let's try one more. What is this?
That is a thumb, and it has a TH digraph.
You are going to be able to read so many words. You know all your letters and their sounds, and you know your digraphs. How about blends? Do you know about blends? That's when two consonants come together and you still hear each of their sounds.
My teacher taught us that too. When two consonants come together and the letters keep making two sounds, that is a blend.
Okay, here are a few blends. Brr, tst, and kr. I am going to show you some pictures and I want you to tell me what the blend is in the word and then put the picture under the correct blend. Can you do that?
That's a broom, and the blend is bruh. Because the B and the R keep making their same sounds, they just blend together. Hear it? Bruh.
What about this one?
That's easy too. That is a star, and the blend is st. It goes under the ST.
Let's do one more.
That is a crab, and it has CR at the beginning. CR is the blend.
You did a great job finding the blends in the words.